All right, guys, we got one of our roll-off direct heat cookers rolling out of the shop today. This one going to my man Mike down in Baton Rouge, and this one's slick, all right? It's on our off-road package. Of course, it's got the upgraded wheels and tires on there, D-ring tie downs on all four corners. Guys, on the cooker, this is our roll-off. It is 52 by 30, all right? We can build them in a lot of different sizes, bigger, smaller, taller, wider. We'll open this one up. So inside, you've got your top grate. Top grate is removable. Got a handle on each side. It'll lift up out of there. Now, he did get a couple special options in here. So we'll open it up. All 1/4-inch plate steel construction. It is insulated on the bottom as well. Guys, these direct heat cookers are awesome for chicken, ribs, steaks. Now, he has added our adjustable charcoal grate. So that charcoal grate will raise up and down, really allowing you to use this as a grill as well. Really helps you tune that heat in. We'll go over to the side here and I'll show you that grate going up and down. It's got about 8 inches of travel in there. Lower it back down. Really lets you tune your cooker in. Pretty slick setup. He also got our TMG torch charcoal chimney. All right, you can get those on the website as well. So slick cooker here. Really enjoy cooking on these direct heat cookers. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.